Hello, what's up? Welcome to a new video. This is an upgrade. First, I see first computer upgrade I've done for a while. Between college and work, I've been busy as fuck. I looked up first, but I'm going to do the intro first. I'm going to back up for the monitor. We're getting an i5-9400 upgrade in my test build. This is the 4920 motherboard inside what used to be the E500 build case. Watch the videos, you've seen the build and then the change build and then anyhow. So I was putting the upgrade CPU in my main rig and putting that CPU, the E500, into here. This CPU is, I think, like, just barely better than the E500. And for like a 2% increase, I'm not gonna waste time taking that motor apart, putting it in there, putting that CPU, I'll just put the brand new one straight in here. Fucking airplane, ignore it. So that's why this is gonna be a brand new CPU. It's very powerful, hopefully. And if you do a backup build for streams or for recording video, if my main rig fails, it's kind of the point of upgrading this one. This is a test build. Well, you can get extra power and make it more useful. So, two things you need to do when you upgrade your CPU. One, make sure your motherboard can support it. And two, make sure your BIOS supports it. If you're using a pre-built machine, probably hard to upgrade using this. You may not support too many. Custom builds, of course, you can customize however you like, within reason. And I learned during the TechSavvvvy Comes to Build a Computer series, having this correct socket doesn't matter. You do need the correct socket, but that's not enough. What you need to do is look at your motherboard's CPU support list and see what motherboards see what CPUs your motherboard supports. For example, because this has an 1151 socket, does not mean it will support any 1151 CPU. As it supports the socket and the CPU itself. Also, the BIOS has to support it. You need the correct version of the BIOS in order to use it. Because of that, I actually forgot to check if the BIOS supports or not, so I need to check that now. And it occurs to me I do need a keyword for this. So I wouldn't, use the BIOS, I'm dumbass. So, I have a keyword because I don't want to go to the damn keyword. I was not wired, so I didn't know how to set word. I didn't find the. I should have another keyword, but I lost it. Hold on. Pour this keyword into it. Nope, I can make that work. And wow, this is some Geforce. Where's the BIOS? Yeah, I'm working inside. Delete. Alright. BIOS on. And my keyboard. Uh-oh. Alright. Thing. Yeah, cool. Okay. What version the BIOS had on it. See if I can mouse here, I brought it. From the receiver port. I know I have it. Okay, no. Okay, damn it. Air keys. Oh, I can. BIOS. Where is that receiver at? I haven't done it in a long time, so I'm kind of rusty here. I've been busy as hell with everything else. I didn't have time to do shit with this channel, sadly. Okay. Let's see, our camera system. Okay, F5. Cool. I believe this BIOS supports this view F2 and up. Let's see, this is. Oh, what's right here? i5-9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 9400. 94 since F2, so yeah. There's F5 on it. So FU, because I don't have to update the device today. See what I did there? Anyhow, alright, cool. That ends that round. Just go ahead and move on. Let's continue. I'm gonna do this. Shit out of the way. Oh, you're funny. Alright. First thing you want to do, determine what size computer you have to open. So, in this case, what you want to do, look at the back of the computer. Side with the motherboard on it, which is going to be, you can tell because the side close to where the countries are, the motherboard is right here. It's literally right in here. Over the opposite panel. If I really see the country right, open the opposite panel. So lay it down with this side down. Then you open up the opposite panel from the ports. So lay it down like this. And now I'll put the camera up, top down, to get it inside of the machine. Alright. Every case opens slightly different. This is the Corsair 200R. If you watched Cherry on this channel, on my channel, you've probably seen these before. But Cherry channel, you've seen these a lot before. So I got this idea to use this case. I used it in my first build, or my first functional build. It's a 2018 build. Based on what Cherry does, I picked the brand he uses, I did the settings, and it worked. So, what now is, I rebuilt it since my memory build into a different case. And this is now the test build. It's just pretty tight. I can hit this amount because this is my test build. For testing shit. You just on the back, pull it out, top it off. When he's in it, has a handle on it, you just like pull on the handle to pull it out. It's said every case is different. This is different Intel, the AMD ND is different. If I do this, the Intel, CPU. I'm gonna do first here. We're gonna unplug the fan. Go back. Alright, so this here is reusable, but since I have a brand new one, if I put a picture on it, I'll use that one when I pull it out. You want to turn the arrow towards where it points at on all these. Turn the arrow. That's the case too. Make sure you're done as well. It's an on cover right now. Not really this idea, but whatever. Turn the arrow. And then pull up on all four of them. Now it's the kind of Alright. That's kind of thin on there, actually. No. I don't know if I have a piece of cardboard or paper or something. Put this all on. I'm not gonna use the list. I'm gonna clean it up later off camera and put it away in the box. Cause it's still gets to be just I did it. And you unclip that, okay, just put it down out. Let the cover up. Right there with this USB. Socket. Put on my card. Now be very careful, do not touch the socket, you're going to be very careful with it. So open up the USB. Tape on it. Cut that first. I used to have that I bought a pair last year. Or after 3 seconds. It's kind of like a cutting off, just cut it out. No, see on top and the 0.1 just out to not drop the CPU. God. Yeah. Good. I thought exposed, that's stupid. Alright. That's alright. But out of there. I'm gonna read it, make sure it's 9100. Core i5-9400. So on your motherboard, you should see somewhere on our socket where there's a tiny little arrow. And find what it is. Alright, right. See this great arrow there to your left. You're right there. So, once you give it arrow on the similar. See this yellow arrow there? Those things gotta match up so you should be in properly. When you do not touch the top of the CPU, I have a plug on so do not touch the top. So it will hinder the thermal lift of the air off of it. And very carefully save it in there. I just go to tap the side and make sure it's in there probably. It is. And when I then bring down the door, put it underneath there, push down on this lever, and boom. If you have a brand new board, your cover would pop off. The same brand new obviously has been used, so the cover's not there. If you take this view and don't put a new one in it, you should put the cover back in it if you haven't. Actually, if you're setting the board for warranty, you have to have it, I believe, before they'll set the warranty. So warning here, do not touch this, you will hinder the thermal connectivity, because your finger close. I'm going to route the cable where the fan can easily access the port. This is the same fan as the other one, if I happen to know. I can just unclip this little lip right here. Actually, the one thing I'm going to make it before I start this. So, and then now I can reach one more like that, I think. Unless, yeah, like that, I think. And you post, hold on the board, try to set it in a little bit. And make sure the arrows are not facing towards the fan. That's how you would before you took off the old cooler. Like you got set wrong already. Then take your thumb and push them down, push one down, anyone you want. Now when you did that, do the opposite corner. And then do the other two, however you like. If done right, you can pull it gently and it won't come out. If the motherboard unscrewed, you can put the motherboard by that cooler. Obviously it's still screwed, don't do the whole computer by that, that's not to be nice. And your vibration check. It's all nice and good. Go ahead and plug in the EVGA. The open, I'm some paper towels. And I'll wipe off the old roofies. Put it in the box. I'll label it as being a 4920. I'm not going to easily destroy it without harming it. For now, I'll move the because I need to test this to make sure it works properly. I better know. Oh, we're stuck in there, right? Over there. That's it. As well, you can plug the computer in if I in theory. I'll look around first look. And then where's North? I've got 2 screws again. I'm not that worried about it. I think it's gonna work fine. Until, I mean, most of them are pretty reliable. But I've been considering I didn't check the BIOS, but I checked it. I know that's not my problem. So I'm not worried about this not working. I don't know. It doesn't. It's 2 screws. So I mean, it's not like I put on like 20 screws. Then I wouldn't test it. Then I wouldn't put it together for when I had to. But it's 2 screws. You can, you know, which one's worse? No big deal. Look. Okay. Grab the monitor. Alright. Let's see what's it on. So one note, I'll make sure first, when you do a CPU or a RAM upgrade or motherboard swap, it's normal for the computer to reboot once or twice after the upgrade. Because it's detecting its new hardware, so if it reboots a couple times, don't panic, it's normal. The computer just like, hey, what's this thing? I don't know what this is, and trying to figure out what it is and what it does, so don't panic if it reboots a couple times. It's... Shit. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to make sure that new fan works. So make sure that first. So once you take the cover back off, I should shut that first time. I know the time. If that fan doesn't work, it should alert me that it doesn't work, but I'll make sure in first my eyes the fan's turning. So. I can't let me fuck. I have to be the custom enable first. Alright, and yeah. My fan's working. And it posted. Awesome. Here's the bed now hooked up, so. That works. Now what I tell you here, I'm not sure. Okay. It's still just Windows Fizz. And now I'm going to Windows 10 video. What's that noise? Oh, it's probably the dashboard. Kind of slow. Alright, cool. Alright, let me just, you guys can't see under. I forgot what you did before last. Alright, let's go ahead and let's make sure here that I use Cool. Alright, Intel Core Team i5-9400. There's your paper right there. Intel Core TM i5-9400. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'll put the code back on. I should have it off, I know. Damn it. I'm going to change the game for cameras. That's just fine. I dropped up in there. Yeah, the front one is seriously. The back one's not. So. I don't know. For it. Alright. So yeah. That'll be it for this video. Hope you guys all enjoy. Listen, guys. Take it easy.